Hello students, I am Jagdish Kumar Yadav. This is for class 10th, subject computer application. Students, so far you have been studying about HTML. Now I am going to give you a revision of the chapter 1 and chapter 2, that is Internet Basics and Internet Services. But before that, I would like to tell you the syllabus for unit test. As you know, the unit test is going to be conducted in the month of August. So for this test, the syllabus will be unit 1, that is networking, and in these two chapters are there, Internet Basics and Internet Services. And today's topic, which I am going to tell you, that is the revision of objective type questions based on the topic Internet Services. Means Internet Services topic. In that we are going to give you a revision of objective type questions. As you know that online exam will be conducted, and in that objective type questions will be asked only. So you must be aware about the questions. Not the same, but it is a revision so that you may get idea how and what type of questions will be there in the online exam. So first here as given, you can see multiple choice questions. Here I highlight it so that you may get it clearly. Multiple choice questions. First question: a search engine is a program to search for information. The correct answer is, I first give you the main options. What are the options? Then answer will be told. So the options are: for information, web pages for specified index terms, web pages for information using specified search terms. So it is, as I told, for information, as here in answer given. D, the option is correct. D, web pages for information using, here it is wrong, I have told, because not only information but the information using the different search terms. So a search engine is a program to search web pages for information using specified search terms. Next, second question: which of the following statements about search engine is true? This question has been asked in CBSE 2011 exam. First, search engine discriminate between good and bad sites. Search engine have fixed hours when we can use them. Search engines are waste of time as they do not provide relevant information. Search engine is a program designed to search for information on the web using keywords. So the right answer is D1. Search engine is a program designed to search for information on the web using keyword. Third question: a software that searches through a database of web pages for particular information is known as domain, email client, modem, search engine. So the correct answer is search engine. Next, fourth number question: which software browses the internet in a systematic manner? Web crawler, web browser, indexing software, or search algorithm? So it is a web search engine, works by storing information about many web pages retrieved by a web crawler. So here the correct answer is web crawler. Next, fifth number question: Shri wants to search about computer vendor in Meerut excluding Dell category. Which of the following search query must suit his requirement? Computer vendor Meerut Dell, computer vendor Meerut not Dell, computer vendor plus Meerut Dell, computer vendor plus Meerut plus Dell. So here it is minus, and the last option, computer vendor plus Meerut plus Dell. As you know, when we search the information and we want the relevant information, so for that we use plus sign. After every group of word we use the plus sign. Like computer vendor we want to search in Meerut, so we use plus Meerut. excluding del category, so we use minus del. Excluding, here it is written excluding del, so for excluding it is minus. Remember this, because minus removes this keyword, del will not appear then. So the correct answer is computer vendor plus Meerut minus del. This will be used in the search keyword. Sixth number question, which of the following would you use to transfer files over the internet? FTP, email, HTTP. Okay, the correct answer, and the fourth option is browser. So as you know already, FTP, file transfer is given, so the correct answer will be option number A, that is FTP. Question number 7, FTP is referred to as, simply you know the full form, file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol, option number B. Sorry, not this one, option number D, file transfer protocol. Next question, when you copy a web page or a file from a server to your local computer, this process is called downloading. Remember this. This process is called downloading, because when we copy from server to our computer, it is downloading. And when we copy from our computer to server, that is uploading. So here it is downloading. Remember this. Next, 9 number question. Image files uploaded and downloaded over the internet can be processed with a compression application. Why are image files compressed before transmitted over internet? So the reason is to increase security, to make them easier to open, to reduce transmission time, to improve the quality of image. So it is, the correct answer is to reduce transmission time. When the images are compressed, it becomes of less size, and when any file is of less size, that can be transmitted very soon, very quickly. So the correct answer is to reduce transmission time. Next, question number 10, identify the software that helps you in sending and receiving an email. So it is MS Outlook. MS Outlook is used to send and receive email messages. Next, 11 number question, BCC field contains the list of recipients. BCC stands for, as you know, blind carbon copy. Blind carbon copy, option number B. Next question, question number 12, a two-way video conversation among multiple participants is called video conferencing. Remember, if multiple persons are there, multiple participants are there, then it is video conferencing. But if two persons are there only, then it is video chatting. Then 13 number question, which service typically include reviewing account activity and balance, sending electronic payments, and transferring funds between accounts electronically? So it is e-banking. The correct answer is e-banking. Which of the following sites would you prefer to buy books? So the correct answer is www.amazon.com. Next, e-reservation is a process of making reservations of tickets, hotel rooms, tourist packages, all of these. So it is all of these. Remember this. It can be used for booking tickets, for booking hotel rooms, for tourist packages. So the correct answer is all of these. So this is all about the MCQ, multiple choice question. Now we have the another type of question, that is fill in the blanks. So first question, information is retrieved through internet using search engine. Remember this, and information searched on internet is searched on internet by using search engine. Next, LinkedIn is an example of social networking site like Facebook, WhatsApp. FTP is responsible for downloading files from computer network. Next, dash is a real-time communication between two or more users via computer. So the correct answer is chat. Email is the process of sending and receiving messages electronically. Dash elements help to express emotions or feelings in email or text messages. So it is emoticon. Dash helps to learn anywhere using internet. It is e-learning. Next, computer-based training CBT is a type of e-learning. Dash can be used to ease the development of building e-learning platforms. It is supporting tools like HTML. Dash allows customers to conduct financial transactions on a secure website. It is e-banking. As here written, financial transaction or transferring funds, all these works are done by e-banking. Internet can be used to get reservation of trains and airplanes through service. Which service? E-reservation. Any booking, any ticket reservation can be done by e-reservation. Dash helps to create and maintain social relationship. So it is social networking. Dash is the online directory to find the information about people. It is super pages. So this is all about fill in the blank. Now we have another type of question, that is true or false. First question, Alta Vista is used for searching of available internet connection. It is false. Alta Vista is a search engine. It is used for searching information, not for available internet connection. Next, FTP utilizes TCP/IP protocols. It is true. For transferring the files over the internet, FTP uses TCP/IP protocol. Next, downloading of files means transferring files from host computer to the internet. It is false. Because when we download, it means we are transferring file from internet to host computer. But it is opposite given, that's why it is false. Fourth question, chat rooms are actual rooms where chat session can take place. It is false. Chat room occurs in a virtual chat room which can include different people who may or may not know each other. Remember this. Plain text email messages can be read by any type of email application. It's true. If you have any type of email application like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook or Rediff Mail, so that can be used to read the email messages. Video conferencing enables two or more people to only see one another. False. Video conferencing can include multiple people, not two. Not only to see, but it can be used for talking also, for listening the sound also. Next, e-learning only supports text materials. It is false. E-learning includes numerous types of media, that is audio, video, text message. Next, we can make groups of our friends and family members on a social networking. It is true. As you know, on Facebook and WhatsApp, groups can be made and the information can be shared. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will bring some of the questions related to the first chapter, that is Internet Basics. Thank you.